Welcome to Five Fingers Exports India Pvt Ltd. In today's video, we'll explore the promising future of PP woven bags and their growing role in key industries. Stay tuned as we discuss how these versatile and durable bags are shaping the packaging landscape across various sectors. What is the future of the PP woven bag market? The future of the PP woven bag market is highly promising, with projections indicating growth from $4.0 billion in 2024 to $6.1 billion by 2034. This expansion is driven by increasing demand for cost-effective, durable, and sustainable packaging solutions across industries such as agriculture, construction, chemicals, and food. For instance, we can consider an analysis of the future trends in the sugar bag market. The sugar packaging market size is estimated at 191.57 million tons in 2024 and is expected to reach 230.20 million tons by 2029. Five Fingers roll-fed liner insertion machine is highly advantageous for the sugar bag manufacturing industry, offering efficient and reliable solutions for creating durable, moisture-resistant packaging. The machine's ability to seamlessly integrate both laminated and unlaminated materials ensures optimal protection and durability for the packaged goods. Now, let's take another example by analyzing the future market trends in the chemical bag industry. The global chemical packaging market size reached $11.5 billion in 2024. Looking forward, Emark Group expects the market to reach $13.4 billion by 2033, exhibiting a growth rate of 1.53% during 2025 to 2033. Five Fingers sheet-fed liner insertion machine is an excellent solution for the chemical bag manufacturing industry. They are designed to handle a range of cut sheets in tubular form, including paper-laminated HDPE/PP woven sheets and laminated PP woven sheets, offering enhanced efficiency and precision for producing robust, moisture-resistant bags tailored to meet the specific needs of chemical packaging. The demand for cement packaging bags is on the rise and is expected to grow further, driven by the increasing need for durable and efficient solutions in the construction industry. Let's take a closer look at the market analysis of gusseted cement valve bag. The demand for cement packaging bags is on the rise and is expected to grow further, driven by the increasing need for durable and efficient solutions in the construction industry. Our Five Fingers gusseted cement valve bag making machine is poised for significant growth, driven by rising global construction activities and infrastructure projects. These bags, known for their tear resistance, moisture protection, and stacking efficiency, are increasingly preferred over traditional packaging options. Our valve bag making machine is its capability to produce both gusseted and non-gusseted valve bags on a single machine. The gusseted design ensures better organization, maximizes container space, and helps maintain order during transport, making it highly efficient for bulk storage and logistics. This serves as a cost-effective alternative to block bottom bags, which require significantly higher production costs due to the expensive machinery involved in their manufacturing. Now that we've explored the applications of PP woven bags across various industries, it's time to focus on branding and product information. To achieve this, we need a reliable printing solution. Five Fingers manufacture a 6-color Flexo roll-to-roll printing machine that provides exceptional printing capabilities. It includes both normal and twist gusset options, an auto-ink supply system for consistent ink flow, and a separate web aligner for smooth unwinding and rewinding, ensuring high-quality prints on PP woven bags. The intelligent Flexo printing machine operates at an impressive speed, capable of producing between 70 prints with gusset and 110 prints without gusset per minute. The future of PP woven bags looks bright, with increasing demand across various industries due to their durability, cost-effectiveness, and sustainability. This growth is further supported by advancements in manufacturing technologies, which enhance the efficiency and versatility of these bags. At Five Fingers Exports India Pvt Ltd, we are proud to serve the entire range of bag-making machines that support the production of high-quality PP woven bags. From our roll-fed liner insertion machines to 6-color roll-to-roll printing machines, we provide innovative solutions to meet the diverse needs of the packaging industry. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your business. Reach out to us today and book a free live demo at our factory for more information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to partnering with you for your manufacturing needs.